Ever wonder how chemists figure out the energy of a reaction they can't even measure directly? That's where Hess's law comes in, and this calculator makes it effortless. Just enter your known chemical equations and their enthalpy values. The calculator automatically flips, scales, and combines them to find your target reaction's total energy change. Here's a quick example. Say you want the enthalpy of forming carbon dioxide but only have data for partial combustion steps. Plug in those two equations, their delta H values, maybe negative 394 and positive 110 kilojoules, and the calculator instantly solves for your unknown. No more manual algebra, no sign errors, no frustration. Whether you're a chemistry student cramming for finals or just exploring thermodynamics, this tool saves you time and builds your understanding simultaneously. Try the Hess's Law Interactive Calculator for free. The link is right below this video.